My name is Ritu, and today's date is October 26, 2014. I was 21. I was a student. I was in Delhi. I just heard that the tanks came in the Golden Temple where the steps are. The tanks came there and they started shooting the Darbar side. And the Bhinderwala, he refused to come out. They asked him to come out of the room wherever he was hiding. They asked him to come out, but he refused to come out. So they started shooting the Darbar side. So the blame was put ultimately on the Sikhs rather than on the government. Reaction was like, in a way, Bhinderwala was also wrong, because if he knew that something wrong is going on, he should have stepped outside the room. He should have faced the government, and he should have told them that this is the thing which you did it wrong, and the way he did the things wasn't the right way to do. Because hiding inside the room and then telling the government that this thing is not right, that's not the way you do it. If you are truthful about something, you should come and face it. Like, you should tell the government, and you should be upfront about it rather than hiding inside somewhere. Like, the government was also to be blamed, but Bhinderwala, I think so, he was also to be blamed. So I was in Delhi. Because assassination happened, like, we were living in Golf Links, and the place where we were living, it was very close to the Indira Gandhi's house where she was living. So it was almost in the main area, like it was close to India Gate. Our house was very close to India Gate. So we heard that the Sikhs killed Indira Gandhi. So since we were so near to Indira Gandhi's house, we came to know. I didn't hear any, like, I heard that the Indira Gandhi was assassinated, but I didn't see it physically. Like, I didn't see the news that how it happened and how everything, like how she was assassinated. I didn't see that, but I did hear that. Violence is, I heard that in Kanpur, the Sikhs are getting burnt and they are killing them. But the place where we were living, nothing major happened because it was a diplomatic area and it was full of embassies. So the guarding was quite heavy, and the police was also there all the time. So nothing much happened in the colony where we were living. But things happened close to the colony where we were living. There were some colonies around us where things happened. They burned their houses and they killed the Sikhs there. So it was sad to hear all that, and I think so, like, it shouldn't have happened that way. They shouldn't have killed the Sikhs. And I heard that the police was also involved in everything, whatever happened. One of my cousin brother, he became a target during November 1984. At that time, and he was living in Ludhiana. And at that time, he was in college. So when he was coming back from college, they took him to the jail, and at that time, he cut his hair. That was the time he cut his hair. Before that, he had a turban on. But after that incident happened, then he had cut his hair. And after that, he never kept his hair again. Like, according to me, I don't have any strong opinion about it. But some people say that since we were minority, it's because of that. And I think so, the Sikhs, they were also asking for their independence. They wanted their own state. I don't know. I'm not sure, like, exactly what was the reason. But